Ladies and gentlemen, when I first walked up to this 1966 Dodge Travco, I felt like I'd just stepped onto the set of a lost episode of The Twilight Zone, where the hero escapes danger by outrunning evil in a fiberglass bubble of pure 1960s optimism. I believe this thing looks like what my neighbor imagines every RV should be: round, loud, and guaranteed to make the HOA nervous. Now, before we dive in, smash that subscribe button for more machines that make you say, "They really built that?" It helps the channel, my self-esteem, and apparently my ability to pretend I know how carburetors feel emotionally. This Travco stretches 27 feet, 8.2 meters, of red and white fiberglass that was repainted back in 2016 after sitting off the road for nearly 20 years. I think the wraparound windshield alone deserves its own museum wing. What I liked the most is that it still carries the spirit of Ray Frank's original Dodge-based design, the one so futuristic in the early 60s that people probably thought it could talk like KITT. It rides on a Class A chassis with an I-beam front axle, dually rear axle, semi-elliptical leaf springs, drum brakes, and 16-inch wheels, wrapped in 7.50 by 16 specialty tires of America rubber. Inside, it turns into a time capsule that accidentally got a small upgrade. Woodgrain laminate flooring, chrome lights, a sofa and dinette reupholstered back in patterns that I believe might hypnotize a raccoon. Plus, a kitchenette with a refrigerator, sink, and 3-burner range. The wet bath got a new toilet, and the bedroom rocks automotive-themed drapes that make me feel like the entire room wants to race me. Up front, the tan vinyl captain's chairs and repainted metallic gray dash give it a classy touch, although the 100-mile-per-hour speedometer doesn't work, which might be the universe's way of saying, relax, this is a Travco. Power comes from a rebuilt 360 Ci V8, 5.9-liter, sending grunt to the rear wheels through a 3-speed automatic. It was good enough to get this thing featured in Motorhome magazine in 2018. And for price, it sold for $20,750, about 19,300 euros, which I think is a steal for a rolling piece of Americana. And hey, if you want to support the channel for just $1, the sponsorship link is under the video. It's cheaper than the coffee my buddy Dave spills every morning.